Hello everyone and welcome to Plus Equal. Today we will be talking about if statements. Something really useful, something that you use a lot in your journey in game development. And we will get to the basics with some easy examples. So let's begin. I will start by creating a new script for this example. So I will put if statement example. I will open up the script and I will start by creating two variables for you. So I'll put an int x equal to 5 and I will create an int z equals to 10. So as you should know, 5 is lower than 10 and we will use this in order to print something in the console with an if statement. So here in the void start we can use the if statement. A if statement is basically a condition of if this is true, do something, or if it's not true, don't do it. So we will create if and we will open parentheses. I like to do this followed by the curly braces. So if I put enter now, this will get me this space right here in the middle. So this is the model of an if statement. Now what you want here inside is a condition. You want to do something. You want the computer to determine if something is true or false. So here inside this, something will be true or false. And in our case, we will use these variables and we will ask the computer if x is bigger than z. Something that we know that it's not true. Z is 10 and x is 5. So z is actually bigger than x. The false example, because we will put here x is bigger than z, and we know that this is not true. Z is 10 and x is 5, so z is bigger than x. This always will be false, and actually the code that will be inside this statement won't run, because if the if statement knows that something is false, it will pass through it. It will ignore what is inside and go to the other line of code. But anyway, to show you that this is working, we will create a debug.log and I will show you that these won't appear in the console. So I will say that x is bigger than z, this is false, and print in the console. Now let's create the other example. I will call it the true example, because we will put here that z is bigger than x, because 10 is bigger than 5, just so you know what's happening inside these parentheses. And because this is true, it will do the code inside the if statement. So you can debug.log z is bigger than x, and you can save this and go into Unity again. I will attach my script into this empty game object. I will uncheck the other script to make sure we just debug. This is just debug stuff, but this way I just debug what is inside the script. Let me press play to see if this is working fine. Let's go to the console, and here we have it. Z is bigger than x. But we don't have the other debug log that was x is bigger than z, because that's not true. So we will be talking about conditions for a while, but remember that the if statement is very useful, and by the way, very easy to understand. So if you have any doubt, just leave a comment or go to the Discord, because this video is done. It will be everything for today. As always, thank you a lot for watching this tutorial. Leave a like and subscribe if you want, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you a lot for watching. I will see you there.